aktarmaya çalışıyorum.
Yeah, if it's sticky, it's nice. I mean, this rice is from Italy.
Yes.
Japanese who lived there for 40 years, they kind of found out this rice is suitable for sushi.